to all. Good evening and happy evening to all. Hello everyone. This is Philip from pantechelearning and I welcome you all for engage your learning experience with pantechelearning anytime, anywhere and any places. We are always supporting to the students in a technical way. What is our main vision? We are going to help 10 million students to learn the technical knowledge by the easy way. And I welcome you all to today's session of Artificial Intelligence Masterclass. I welcome you all once again. Of Artificial Intelligence Masterclass. Today we are going to discussing about one of the interesting topic, that is text extraction by OCR. So maybe that you can, maybe that you are asking the question to me, what is the meaning of OCR? In this particular concept, in this particular task, we need two different technology, that is computer vision as well as the deep learning tool. So here we are using the one particular deep learning tool, that is nothing but optical character recognition, that will be helped to return the text from the digital images, or it will be extracting the text from the digital images. That is nothing but the open source tool which is built with the help of the deep learning neural network. Especially LSTM algorithm is designed will help to creating this particular tool. Okay, right. So without delay, I am going to enter into today's topic. So this is most commonly it will be helpful for digital images is converting into the text format. Okay, right. So without delay, I am going to enter into today's topic. So once again, I welcome you all. Engage your learning experience with pantechelearning anytime, anywhere and any places. Okay. So without delay, I am going to enter into the topic. So what are the content? What are the agendas today we are going to discuss? The project is based on the deep learning as well as the computer vision. So the introduction, objective of this particular task, and what is the meaning of the OCR and working procedure for this particular topic. Okay, right. So first one, introduction. So normally the introduction of text extraction in a gentle formation. What is the meaning of the text extraction? That means we are going to extracting the text from digital images. That is nothing but text extraction. Or we are going to converting the digital images into the readable format of the text. Okay, right. So normally the Python is automatically extracting the text from the digital images. That Python can do. So always Python can do all the amazing things, because the Python computer vision technology giving the some magical and amazing things to converting all the things. So that's why we are always considering artificial intelligence technology is doing and is very helpful for the human task. Okay, right. So with the help of the Python. So in this Python project, we will learn how to extract the text content from the image by using the OpenCV as well as the Tesseract. So Tesseract is nothing but a tool of OCR. So OCR in the sense optical character recognition. Now let us see how we can create this particular that for example image into the text format. How to create that? Okay, so are you guys excited? If you guys are excited means please raise your hands in comment box, and don't forget to hit the like button. So if you guys are really like the session means please raise your hands in comment box, as well as don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, right. Now what is exactly Tesseract or OCR? So OCR is nothing but optical character recognition. So it is the open source engine, and it is very efficiently read the text from the digital images, and it will be very helpful to easy to work with that. Okay, so normally you can read the content, you can read the text. That is easy task for the human. What about the computer? That is not an easy task, but we need several things to training the model. After that only it will be help to returning the text, right? So here we are using the tool to extracting the text from the digital image. So in this particular OCR will help to extracting the text in an easy way. because it is always designed with the help of the neural network. So that's why I'm saying it is one of the project in deep learning as well, and also it is the project is one of the computer vision technology. Okay, so computer vision technology and also the deep learning technology that can be possible to extracting the text from the digital images. Normally digital images we are going to processing on the digital images, in the sense we need OpenCV library, because of we are going to processing on the image, then only we can extracting the text. Okay, how to extract the that particular character in the image? With the help of the OCR tool. How the OCR tool is designed? With the help of the neural network. So especially LSTM algorithm will help to building this particular tool for extracting the text. Okay, so the OCR is a technique to read and cropping the text from the printed or scanned photos or digital images, as well as the handwritten images, and converting them into the digital format. So that can be also editable and also the searchable. Okay, as I mentioned before, it is like it is a open source and it is a free to use. Okay, and it is free to use. Okay, so here we need exe file for the Tesseract. Once you install that particular things in the system, then only it can be possible to extracting the text from the digital image. So we need some that source file we need for this OCR. That means the Tesseract exe file we need it. Okay, I will mention the link in the description. You can use that and download that particular exe file and install in your system. Okay, that is very necessary. Okay, so Tesseract exe file is necessary. That is the tool to install in your system. Then only it can be possible to what is that? It can be possible to extract the text from the image. Okay, I will mention. I will share the link in the description. Okay, you can use to download this particular Tesseract file. Okay, right. So how to download this? In the sense, I will show that. Okay, I will show that. So this is the link of that. Just copy. Okay, just copy this one. Okay, I will mention this particular link in the description. Okay, right. Just open. Yeah, just open this. Sorry. Just open this and paste here. Enter this. You can see one particular page. Okay, you can see one particular page. This is the setup of that particular Tesseract file. This is the setup of the Tesseract file. You can download the 64-bit. Okay, because of 32-bit also okay, but you can use the 64 in your system. Okay, in your system, just download it and install this particular tool for extracting the text from the digital image. This is very necessary. Okay, right. Okay, then applications of OCR. So normally the applications as a plenty applications today's business. So few of them I mentioned here. The first one, passport recognition in airport. Okay, passport recognition in airport, and second one, automation of the data entry. So with the help of the OCR, it can be possible to automate it. And license plate recognition. So license plate recognition in the sense number plate recognition of the vehicle. That can be possible. Once the car is moving faster, in the sense we can find easily with the help of the OCR technique. And extracting the business card information into the contact list, and converting the handwritten document into the electronic images, and creating the searchable PDF, and create the audible file, that means text into the audio. That can be possible. These are the applications for the OCR. Okay, right. So what is the prerequisite for this particular project, particular task? So to implement this project, you should have the basic knowledge about the Python, Tesseract, OpenCV, as well as the tkinter. Maybe that you are asking the question to me, where is deep learning? Here we are using the one particular tool, that is Tesseract. So normally the Tesseract is built with the help of the LSTM algorithm in deep learning. That means LSTM neural network will help to creating this particular tool, that is Tesseract or OCR. So OCR is specially built with the help of the LSTM neural network. So that is the reason I am saying this is the deep learning as well. Okay, so major performance is OpenCV, because of it is nothing but the image processing. Once you processing on that particular images and finding the features on that particular images, then only it can be possible to extract the text from the image. Okay, tkinter is used for the GUI, that is graphical user interface. Maybe that once you run this in the set, it can asking the image path and loading the image, it will be returning the result. So that is the reason here we are using the tkinter as well. Okay, right. Are you guys listening the classes? If you guys are listening the classes, means please mention in the comment box yes Philip. Please mention in the comment box yes Philip. Okay, so if you guys are really like the session, means don't forget to hit the like button, because I need a more interaction from you guys. Why? Because it is not a regular class. It is not a regular class. So just interact with me, otherwise it will be a boring. Okay, if you not interacting with me in the sense, the class definitely will be a boring. Okay, so if you interact with me in the sense, definitely it will not be boring. Okay, right. So explanation about this particular task. That means what is the procedure we are going to follow? First, import the necessary libraries. Okay, then providing the location for the Tesseract exe file. That is the tool for extracting the text from the image. That is very necessary. Once you install this one in the sense, when you are going to writing the code for extracting the features or extracting the text from the image, we need that particular file, because we need to provide that particular location of the exe file. Where it is located, that is very important, right? So where it is located in the sense, in your system, just go to the file explorer and just go to the C and program files, okay, and program files and Tesseract OCR, okay, and Tesseract OCR and Tesseract file will be there. Okay, so just copy this, okay, copy this particular location and paste there. Okay, this is the location of the exe file of Tesseract. Okay, that we need to mention that particular location to access helpful for extracting the text from the image. After that, tkinter provides the GUI, that is graphical user interface functionalities. So open image and dialog box, so user can uploading the image. So already I said to you, right? Okay, so this is the creation, initializing of the graphical user interface. Next, reading the image and resizing the image. Okay, then the Tesseract is expecting the RGB, but in OpenCV, image is accepting in like PGR. Okay, so we need to converting the RGB into the PGR. Okay, we need to converting the RGB into the PGR. So then only for example, PGR into the RPG. So then only the Tesseract will accept. Okay, after pre-processing is completed, the Tesseract which will returns the string. That means the Tesseract tool automatically extracting the text from that particular image, then it will be returning the string that can be editable, that can be readable. Okay, then print whole string for the better understanding. So what are the procedures? Import the libraries, then provide the location of the Tesseract exe file, then initialize the graphical user interface functionality. That will be like image dialog box we can create, so user can upload the particular image. That is the third point. Then fourth point, read and resizing, and the Tesseract is expecting the RGB format, but OpenCV loading the image in the PGR format. So we need to converting the PGR into the RPG. Okay, so RGB, once you converted RGB, then the Tesseract which is returning the string automatically, then print whole the string for the better understanding. This is the explanation about the today's task. Okay, right. Okay, so before entering my time, so I will be explain about the coding. So open ideally Okay, OpenIDD, that will be help to, extracting the features, text from the image. Okay, right. So without delay, I am going to explaining about that. Without delay, I am going to explaining about the coding. Okay, right. So, yes, are you ready guys? Are you ready? If you guys are ready, means just mention in the comment box yes Philip. Just mention in the comment box yes Philip. If you guys are really ready to, connect with me in the sense, just mention in the comment box yes Philip. Okay, right. So without delay, yes, without delay, import the necessary libraries here. That is like from tkinter. Tkinter is nothing but a GUI. That is graphical user interface, and tkinter import the file dialog. That means it will be helpful to accessing the path. Then fill, okay, so that is image tk and image. Then cv2 is very necessary. Then Tesseract. How to install this one in the sense, just follow this procedure, cmd, okay, open this cmd, then pip install. This is the package. So this will be returning the functions. Okay, this will be returning the Tesseract. Okay, Tesseract. So just follow this procedure to install this. Okay, just install this because this file is very needed. Sorry guys, some spelling mistake will be there. So just install pip. Install. Okay, so you need to install this particular package. This particular package is returning the some functions to returning the string. So requirement already satisfied, so that is the reason, because already I installed this. Okay, right. So now we are going to initialize. So we are going to initialize and mention the location of the exe file. Already I said to you that particular location. So this will be the location. So this BC and C colon program files and Tesseract, and this will be the file. Okay, right. So this is the file tesseract.exe. You can also try it yourself. It will be doing amazing things. Okay, Tesseract. Right. So this is the location of the exe file. Now we are going to creating and initializing the graphical user interface, that particular page. So root is equal to tk of, then root title, that means text from the image project. Okay, text from image. Okay, text from image. Then a new line, that is label of root. Then upload the image, label of root. Then scroll bar and package, that is the right, and fill y. Now we are going to create one particular user defined function, that is extract. You have to pass the one particular parameter, that is path. Okay, that is path. Now the actual image, we need to load that particular image. Okay, we need to load that particular image because we are going to accessing that particular path. That will be help to returning. That will be help to going to access that particular path. So that is the reason we are passing the path only. Okay, just a minute guys. Okay, once you created that user defined function, you are mentioning that particular path. So what is that exactly in this sense? Once you are going to running this particular program, it will be returning that one graphical user interface. That particular graphical user interface, it is asking the path for loading the image. So I mentioned here that particular parameter. This is the value of that particular location. That means we are going to choose that particular image into that particular path. Okay, right. So now the sample image, that is we have to resizing the actual image, because actual image in the sense the size will be the 400 by 350. Okay, 400 for 350 with the help of the function dot resize. Okay, dot resize. Now, yeah, now we are going to like image height, image width, and image like what is that, thickness. Okay, we need to making that particular sample image with the help of the sample image, because that is the resized image. Okay, we are going to that particular value we are going to getting from that particular image. That means sample image dot shape this particular variable to loading the value to this particular variable. After that, we are going to converting the color. So normally the OpenCV is receiving the image as PGR. So we need to convert PGR into the RPG. Why? Because of the Tesseract is expecting RGB. So that is the reason we need to convert this particular color PGR into RGB. Okay, right. After that, we need to convert the text. Okay, so we need to initialize that and create that particular variable and call that particular package. That particular package will returning one particular function. What is that? Image to data or image to string. So that is nothing but the digital image is converting into the text format. Okay, the digital image is converting into the text format. So Tesseract dot image to text or image to like what is that, string. Okay, just load the sample image to here, passing this particular variable to here. Okay, right. So now we are going to entering the looping over the sequence. That means what? In the sense we are going to splitting the text. Okay, splitting the text, and that means we are going to iterating over that particular images, right? So for CNT and text, this will be iterating over the text split lines. Okay, text split lines. Then the length of the text, so we are going to like what is that, x and y and width and height. So that is the text format. Okay, so this will be actually this will be returning that that particular style fonts. Okay, right. So now this is the label of that particular root and my text. Okay, so it will be returning in the same GUI. For example, once you are going to load that particular image to the GUI, it will be returning the like what is that particular text. So here I am going to create one particular function, that is show extract button. Okay, show extract button. You have to pass in this particular path in the sense that is the loaded image, that is nothing but input. Okay, then we are going to create one particular variable, that is extract button. So extract button will returning the what is that that particular text. So button, then root, then text is nothing but the extract text, then command line. After that, this will be for the completely related to the GUI. Okay, GUI, you can see here. Okay guys, right. So this is for the pad y, and that is x coordinate and y coordinate. Then font style will be the Times and font size 15, and the text will be display in the format of the bold format. Okay, right. Clear now? Yes, that is for my text. Actually we are getting from that particular label. Okay, right. So now after that, going to create one particular function to upload. What is the function will be returning? It will be help to accessing that particular location. So that means path is equal to file dialog will help to asking the file name for that particular location. So that means file dialog dot ask open file name. Okay, so this will be help to go to like accessing that particular path. So then image is equal to image dot open of that particular path, because of that it is input path. That means input image path. Then image is equal to image tk dot photo image of that particular image. then upload to configure that particular image, then it will be returning show the extract button to that particular path. Okay, right. After that, finally upload button, then button will returning that particular root of that GUI, then text, upload an image, then this will be for one particular label. Okay, so this button will asking the one question to you. So once you are running this one, in the sense it is nothing but while in the running time it is asking the question to the user. The user will working, that is upload an image. So it will be the label and it will be the name of that particular button. Okay, right. So that is the height is 2 and width is 20. Okay, right. You can see here I mentioned here width, height and font times the same thing for that displaying the text bold and 15. Okay, once I run this I will explain one more time. Okay guys, so this is the final thing. Now we are going to new line to configure that particular text and new line dot pack and upload image dot pack and root dot main loop. So that will be help to returning the GUI. Now I am going to run this particular code. You can see here. Okay, it is asking that particular display the GUI. Okay, so this is the title of the GUI. This is the button, that is upload an image. You can see here. You can see here. Where is that actually? So you can see here, upload an image. Okay, so the color is a gray, height and width. So these are the things you can see, right? Yeah. Now I'm going to click this particular button. It is going to accessing this particular function like upload function. Okay, that is the command. Okay, command is equal to upload. So it is going to accessing this particular function. Just click here. And this is the image here. That means text image will be there, text one will be there. I am going to choose the first one, text one. Okay, I am going to open. So it is loaded. The image will be loaded and displaying it. Okay, image will be loaded and displaying it. Now I am going to click this particular extract text. Okay, that where is that actually? You can see here. Yeah, you can see here this function will return in the extracting the text from the image. You can see here it will be iterating over that particular image, then it will be returning the my text. So now I am going to click this one. It is going to returning that particular things. Okay, so that means the text will be the my text. Okay, so I am going to run this. You can see here it is returned already. It returned already. This particular text is editable. This particular text is editable. You can edit and you can read and you can copy and paste that particular what is that text. Okay, so you can see here I can copy here now. I can copy that particular text and paste here. Okay, now you can edit this particular text. Okay, so this is nothing but extracting the text from the digital image. Okay, you can load different images to this particular path, right? So you can load any images, that means completely text. In the sense you can load that particular image, it will be returning the string or text, whatever it is you can call. Okay, that is a data or string or text, whatever it is. Okay, it will be returning the text here, right? No? Hope you guys are understood about this. Yes, I hope you guys are understood about this. I hope you guys are understood about this. Actually, the Python giving this some amazing things like this. Maybe that image into the text format and the text into the audio format. That can be possible with the help of the basement of the Python, right? So that can be possible, right? So that's why I mentioned here in the slide, the Python can do the amazing things. So this is nothing but the amazing things actually. Okay, right? I'm going to load the different image. Actually, I chosen two different images. You can also choose the different images and converting the text format from the digital image. Okay, so now I am going to load the different image. So how it will be performed like this, you can see, and one more time I will run this. I can close this one. You can see here, no, this is the GUI. This is the GUI. It will be returning the text, right? So now I close this one and I run it again. Okay, I upload the different images here. Then load this text and it will be returning the same thing here. But it is not written very well, I think so. Some text are missing. You can see here hello is missing, and here is displaying the different format. Maybe that it is not giving the highly accuracy, but it will be returning some kind of the text from the image. So based on the image clarity, it will be returning the good output. You can see the data here. That can also editable. So this is the GUI page. It will be returning the text. Okay, right. So this is the two different output for the two different images, digital images, is extracting the text from the image. Okay, clear now? Yes, that's it, guys. So this is the output for this particular function. Hope you guys are understood about this. If you guys are understood about this, in the sense, just mention in the command box, yes Philip, it is superb cool. Just mention in the command box, yes Philip, it is superb cool. Okay, right. So this is the way you can extracting the text from the image. Okay, so like this, because of the Tesseract will returning the all the things. Okay, the Tesseract will returning the all the things. How? In the sense, because of image to data will returning the string. That's it. Okay. Some like the beautiest thing you are going to create means that is the graphical user interface. That's it. That will be helpful for the interface with the user. That's it. Okay. Otherwise, one single function will returning the image, and you should pass this particular path. That is very important thing. That is very important thing. So don't forget to pass this location. So this particular exe file will return the image into the text format. Otherwise it will not doing any result, and otherwise it will not giving any result to you. So try to understand this. Before you are entering this particular code, you have to install this particular package or what is that, source or exe file, right? Yeah. Okay, that's it, guys. Hope you guys are clear, and also I'm going to wind up today. So this is very enough. So without delay, I'm going to entering my time. Okay, right. So normally every day I mention one motivational quotes, right? So today also I mentioned one motivational quotes about your life. Okay, about your life. Okay, right. When you start taking care of yourself, you will start feel better. Definitely, right? So when you start taking care of yourself, in the sense, definitely you will be looking beautiful. So and you will be start feel like better, and you will start looking better, and you will start attract better. When you are going to feel better, in the sense, automatically the beautiness will come, right? And cuteness will come. Then automatically you are going to attract someone. Definitely, right? So when you are going to looking better, when you are going to feel better, automatically the beautiness will come and you are going to looking better. When you are going to looking better, in the sense, definitely you attract someone, right? You attract someone, or because of your inside happiness. So remember, it is all the things, it starts with you. Don't forget, it is all the things, it starts with you. So you can also start, if you want to project yourself like a beautiness, in the sense, that can be possible. Start from you. Okay, that can be possible. It starts from you. Okay, today itself you can start. Okay, you can start just taking care of yourself. Don't forget, and taking care of yourself, it will be help to attract someone, and you can make the good relation with someone. Okay, right? Feel better and looking better and attract better to someone. Okay, right. Thank you guys. If you have any queries related to the internship, you can contact 89244 33484. 89255 Sorry, I wrongly mentioned the mobile number here. Okay, 89255 33484. And if you have any queries related to the technical, you can contact that particular mail ID. You just send a one mail to me, that is philip.pedit@pantechemail.com. philip.pedit@pantechemail.com. And visit our website. We having different project related machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, IoT and power electronics projects is available. Please visit our website and you can contact for the final year projects. Okay, you can contact at any time for the final year projects. So you can contact the same number 89255 33484. Okay, 89255 33484. Thank you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying today's session. And thank you so much once again. Explore your knowledge with us anytime, anywhere and any places. We are always here for you to support you in a technical knowledge. Thank you so much. Good night all. Have a delicious dinner. Bye bye.